everyone, let me show you how to use Anydesk on Android. If your client needs to sign in the PruOne, tell them to download Anydesk app on their phone. Make sure you also have Anydesk installed on your tablet. Once installed, give your remote ID to your client and tell them to type the remote ID in the remote address and click connect. On your end, click I am aware of the risk and click accept. Accept and start now. There's a quick tutorial that will pop on your client's device. By this time, your client now has the control in your tablet and can now sign in the PruOne. Once done, you can click this to end the session. Then done. No need to set up or change the settings in the app since the default setting is all good and ready to use for remote access.